Is it nerdy to have a favorite rudiment? 5-stroke rolls are probably one of my favorite rudiments, and I've been thinking about them a lot lately, and just how you build a 5-stroke roll and the different ways that you can play it. I think I first heard about 5-stroke rolls when I was in high school and I was doing drum lessons with Mr. Howell, and he showed me this snare piece called Smash by D.A. Hopgood, and it includes a couple of really cool little 5-stroke rolls, some paradiddles, some flams. It's a really good little exercise, and in particular I like it at about bar, what do we got, 4, 8, 16. At the end of bar 16, you yell "ha!" and that's good fun, especially when you're in high school and you're trying to do something cool in front of your mates. So I guess the way that I think about 5-stroke rolls and the sort of building blocks is that we're really only starting with 3 strokes, and that's a right, a left and a right, or a left, a right and a left. And then you play a double stroke on 2 of those, which makes it add up to 5. When I'm practicing them, often I'll start with my 2 doubles and then the single. So it will go right, right, left, left, right, left, left, right, right, left. But other people, when they practice them, they'll start with the single and then do the double, double, single, double, double. To be able to play 5-stroke rolls, you have to be able to play single stroke rolls and double stroke rolls. And we're kind of doing a combination of the 2 of those. So if you can play your single strokes, and then if you can play your double strokes, then you should be able to combine those things and create a 5-stroke roll. That will hopefully sound something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, I said earlier that sometimes when I'm practicing them, I like to start them on the beat. So starting the double strokes on the beat, and that would sound something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you can kind of get your brain to think about them in both ways, then it's really fun to play, and it can be very tricky. The other thing that we can do with our 5-stroke rolls is take them from this kind of very straight 4 feel, so more like a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. We can take it from that and make it more of a triplet feel. 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet. That will sound something like this. One, 2, 3, 4. I've been trying to practice a lot of 6-stroke rolls lately as well, and trying to get my brain to think about the difference between a 6-stroke roll and a 5-stroke roll with a triplet feel has been very, very tricky. So I feel like I'm learning all this stuff all over again. Okay, so let's hear the 5-stroke roll at a few different tempos. I'm going to start off at 80 beats per minute. First, I'll play more of a straight 16th feel, and then I will play a more of a triplet feel. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's hear that again at 100 beats per minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, four. Might regret this, but let's try this at 120 beats per minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, four. That's 5-stroke rolls. They're great fun, they're very tricky, and if you can start to incorporate them into your playing, you'll have some real fun, especially if you start trying to incorporate it into songs with bands and things. Thanks for watching, now go play some drums.